everyone, welcome to our channel, Jack John Bros.
During the cruising, our houseboat reached on an island to purchase some special things.
If you are watching this channel at first time, please subscribe. Houseboat food menu for veg or non-veg, including welcome drink, lunch, evening tea snacks, dinner, breakfast, etc.
We already have a special menu included in the package of every houseboat. If we need any other special food, we are also allowed to purchase it. Anyway, let's enjoy the famous foods of Allepey.
Luxury houseboat in Allepey offer the best service and spectacular interior.
And it's nothing short in its grandeur, from a 5-star resort with complete glass windows constituting a major portion of its walls.
Also, we have the balcony. They offers unhindered view of the mesmerizing backwaters. We are staying here this night with my family. This is the special food of Allepey, curry meat fry.
This is a 3-bedroom houseboat. We have a great time over here to be in the moonlight at the upstairs.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.
Try to enjoy every moment in life. Take the memories, leave the worries. See you on the next video.
Until then,
Bye for now.
Jack John Bros.